Hello friends, my name is Ritesh Chavan and I am the co-founder of Alpha Derivatives. So here at Alpha Derivatives, we are into developing trading strategies pertaining to Indian financial markets. To give an example, so this is something which we developed. So this is a Reliance strategy. Now this is a momentum strategy. So there are strategies which are directional bias. There are some strategies which are not directional bias. So this particular strategy was considering a direction of Reliance, be it bullish or a bearish aspect. Now, when we develop a strategy, there are three things that we try to focus upon. First thing is thorough backtesting. Now, when we backtest, we take all the aspects as well, like which is the ideal scenario to take the trade entry criteria, where is the best entry criteria, exit versus the best exit criteria. All these scenarios and the best backtesting results are something which we try to develop over here. So that is something which you can see. These are the backtested results of this particular strategy. The second aspect, which is again we spend a significant amount of time, that is risk management. So this particular the trade or this particular strategy which you have mentioned, the risk management, and the third aspect is the profit maximization. That aspect is missing over here. If you see that I have kept a partial hedge over here, not a complete hedge, just a partial hedge, and you can see the delta is well above 1 in this particular trade. What does delta mean? It's a little technical term related to derivatives. We'll come across a little later through our videos. So that is why it's a really risky trade. So the two aspects, that is risk management and profit maximization, are not a part of this particular dashboard that we have created. You can see over here the maximum loss potential is 36,000, which is like more than 12% of the capital employed that is here. So which is never something which we will recommend. The whole idea is to give you what exactly we are into and what exactly we develop. So that is what the focus was. So when we developed this, there were certain individuals who were a part of our research team. They were working as interns with us, and this is a strategy which was developed as a 2-month vigil. So now when we developed this strategy, these were the results that turned out to be. Then we further optimized based on risk management, and we brought down our maximum loss potential to less than 4%. That was something, and also we try to maintain that with proper money management, trade management, or we talk about position management. We try to maintain the profitability also to a level where the risk management is also taken into consideration. Why this aspect of profit maximization is again important is because Indian market is really dynamic. At various scenarios, the derivative pricing or the derivative structure is different, and that is why it requires the meticulous research that needs to get into the profit maximization output. So that is what we focus into. Now, why would we require individuals, or if you're a trader, if you're a student, if you're a financial market enthusiast, or you're a professional, why we require these candidates to be a part of our live project or internship? Here is the answer to that. So this is something which we believe every individual has a different thought process. It has a different thought process. It has a unique psychology behind approach towards the financial market. To give an example, that Reliance strategy we have, myself, if I am viewing at it, I will have a different approach and a psychology around it. Let's say if Jay Savla, who's also a co-founder of Alpha Derivatives, is viewing at it, he'll have a totally different approach. Neither of us would be wrong. But this approach itself is the edge that we look forward to. This approach itself is something which we believe will create the edge that is required for the profitability or the scenario building. So that is what we look into, and that is what we try to gauge into. To give an example, okay, this is an option chain. Now here there are only option prices. There are no future prices of Nifty. So this is a Nifty option chain. Now considering these option chain, let's say you want to develop a directional based strategy in Nifty. Just looking at what these option chain are, you can buy call, you can buy in the money calls, out of the money call. If you are going long, right, you can buy out of the money or deep in the money calls as well. you can sell put, you can use combination, you can use spread strategies, you can use lot of combination. You can use out of the money options as well, in the money options. Considering this, these are just in the money, out of the money. The other aspect, which is the Greek aspect, is as I've not talked about. So considering that as well, so many scenarios can be developed, and each and every scenario, if I have to combine that, there will be roughly around about 2 billion combination of these particular scenarios just looking at Nifty. Okay, just looking at Nifty. That is the amount of research that is required, and that is why we require individuals who have a inclination towards finance to come on this platform, that is Alpha Derivatives, and here you will have all the requisite knowledge which is there. So since now I talked about what exactly is this internship or live project opportunity about, how are we going to get selected? That is also something which is very important. So to understand this, you have to understand about something about derivative research. First of all, it's at a very nascent stage in India, derivative research. Okay, it is also a little bit related to analytical based research. So there are three things that you require. First is knowledge, second is a tool, and third is a platform. So once you register, you just have to log in over here, use your Gmail credentials. As this, we have developed this on a Google platform, so you will require a Gmail credentials over here. And once you sign in, it will direct you to this profile page. Just fill in your details and verify your profile. You'll get an OTP. Once you verify it, you will be having access to these training videos. So these training videos are right from the basic understanding of financial market and derivatives to an intermediate understanding of derivatives. Again, these are not at all theory that we are trying to cover over here. These are practical scenarios which we have developed. So if you have a basic understanding of derivatives, I would recommend you to again visit them, because these are again the theory and the practical. There is a little bit of difference. You can then proceed further. We are going to option pricing and Greeks as well. Again, these are not from the theory aspect. These are more on the practical aspect. Once you have completed these videos, what you can do is, as a next step, is attend our live sessions. These live sessions, we are trying to take it every week. So whatever queries or whatever thing you need a further explanation on the videos that has been provided to you, those aspects will be covered in these live sessions. We'll also try to connect the knowledge that is there with the current market scenario or how the markets are shaping up in that particular aspect. So once you have this knowledge, you have attended the live session, now is the time for you to decide, do you still want to pursue this as an opportunity for live project or summer internship, or you don't want to pursue it? If you want to pursue it, you can go ahead and give the test. These are the test slots. These will be updating over the period of time. Likewise, this live session also will be updated over a period of time. You can choose the date as per your convenience. The test fees is 3,000 rupees, which you will be paying for taking the test. As soon as you book a test slot, there are few things which will open up for you, which will help you in derivative research. As I mentioned, for derivative research, you require knowledge, tool, and you require a platform, right? So the first thing that will be available for you is this. This is a Concept Pro tool that is rounding about 2950. You can see, if you talk about tool, what exactly is this derivative tool? If you do fundamental research, you must have come across something called as a Bloomberg terminal or capital market or something related to that. So these are for fundamental research. For technical research also, you must have come across a lot of things related to that. Similarly, this is a derivative based tool. This is one of the India's best derivative related tool. So we and Concept have collaborated for this particular event and this particular so anyone who's going to take the test will have access to this tool. So 7-day trial run is there, and you will get 1 month access to this tool. So these are the various analytics that you can use: open interest, again price OI percentile, straddle index, volume analysis, FNO scanner, option gain, option pain, trap indicator. All these are analytics which are here You can see IVs are there, India VIX is there. All these are there based on analytics. There are few tools also available which you can go and try to understand. So this will be available for 1 month pro subscription, that is worth 2950. The second thing is, as I mentioned, knowledge. So we will try to come up with videos, first of all, on how to use these particular articles and tools. Second will be the video on how to develop a strategy. So we will try to take that into consideration, and there will be some aspect of risk management and profit maximization also try to cover in this, because as I mentioned, risk management is our primary focus when we are developing strategies. So that content will also be there. There will be videos which will be shared to you. So we have taken care of the knowledge part, we have taken care of the content part. The third important part is the platform. So when you are developing strategies, you require a strategy development tool as well, right? So that is something which we are developing over here. Right now this is not completed. This is just to give you an idea. By the time you are watching this video, this would have been completed as well. Our team is primarily working on this particular aspect. So you can choose a stock, and then like while choosing a stock you can see the scenarios that, okay, what if you bought a call on that particular day? Okay, what if you bought a call on that particular day? What would be the scenario, and how would you test that? So let's say you choose a particular date and then choose an ending date. What is the rate that you take, and you can backtest this. All these things will be available. Once you hit the submit button, you will get all that as we discussed in Reliance, right? The dashboard creation that was there. So this is something which you will get. You'll also have a chart of equity curve. So we'll also discuss what is equity curve analysis, and these are the trades which we'll be showcasing over there. So the back testing software will also be available for you. And based on these inputs, now what you have to do is, once you have taken the knowledge, you have understood the tools and everything, you have to work on a project. Okay, so this is how it works. You give the test. If you score above 40, you'll get a certification for completing the videos of derivative research, or you get 1 month access to this tool, okay, and an opportunity to work on a project for 1 month. That project will be your selection process for the live project and the internship, which I'll talk about in a minute after completion of this explanation. If you score 80 and above, we are going to directly take you for an interview. Based on that, if you clear the interview, you will be selected for internship or live project. If not, you will have another chance where you can work on the live project which is there. So every candidate who is going to score above 40 will have a 1 month live project. If you complete that live project, again you'll get a certification for that, and that will be your selection process for either of these two things. Internship, so it's a 2-month internship. We are looking in the month of April, May, June, July. The stipend is up to 15,000 per month, and these are the responsibilities that you'll be working upon. The live project, the difference between the live project over here and the 1 month project, that 1 month project will be something that you want to develop based on your understanding of the financial market. In this one, you will be working with our team along with the directions of our team on a certain key aspect about the derivatives research or analytics, and that would be something which will be a difference over here. For live project, it is more of a part-time, so what the working hours required for that will be around about 12 to 13 hours per week. So if you have that kind of a scenario, and again it will be based on your availability. So 2 months project will be there. The stipend is 5,000 per project. So that is what we have. So now this is a complete scenario of the derivative research, internship, and live project that we have come across. So I hope now you are clear on what exactly we are coming up and what is this platform for. Okay, thank you so much. See you in my next video.